Hi, my name is ZaKaiRan and welcome to my video, how to build your network marketing business 10 times faster using the untapped power of LinkedIn. One of the things you are taught when you first get into network marketing is to not talk about network marketing. It's like you've just joined the Fight Club and everyone knows that the #1 rule of Fight Club is you don't talk about Fight Club. We're told to not talk about network marketing to prospects because they don't understand what it is, or they may even be resistant to it. We're taught to use curiosity when approaching prospects, etc. Problem is, if you are a serious network marketer, you're looking for business builders. You're looking for people with big dreams who want those dreams to come true. You're looking for people who think outside of the box and who want more than the typical 9-to-5 grind of working for the man. You're looking for people who don't just want a job, they want to fire their own boss and make their own hours and be their own boss. You're looking for motivated and inspired people who want success and freedom to do whatever they want, whenever they want. You're looking for people that want the freedom to travel now rather than waiting until they're 65 years old to finally have some freedom to travel. And even though most people would say that they would like to, they'd like those things in their life, for most people it's only a wish. It is not a must. Most people wish their dreams would come true, but aren't really willing to do anything to make those dreams come true. They wish their fairy godmother would wave her magic wand and they would win the lottery. But unfortunately, fairy godmothers only exist in fairy tales, and unless you think outside of the box, you will stay in the box your entire life. And the people that we are looking for are the ones who understand that you've got to learn how to make money while you sleep, or you'll have to work until you die. The smart people know that the only way to achieve financial freedom and time freedom is to earn enough passive income every week, month, and year that pays all of your expenses, plus gives you extra fun money, and on top of that, plus investing money for long-term financial freedom. But the majority of people do not have this entrepreneurial mentality. Most people do not understand the concept of passive income or business and entrepreneurialism for that matter. So the key to your success is to find the people that already understand passive income and entrepreneurialism and working for yourself and self-motivation, etc., and who already are open to home-based business opportunities such as online sales, affiliate marketing, online coaching, network marketing, etc., to name a few. The problem is when you become a network marketer or an affiliate marketer, etc., you're told to talk to absolutely everyone, to approach and prospect everyone who's got a pulse. And if you're very, very lucky, you will get 20% of the people you approach into your business or become customers of your product. But that is really an unrealistic statistic for most people, especially in the network marketing industry. Most people don't get anywhere near that percentage of conversion of prospects to actual customers and business reps. I'm very driven and very consistent and very persistent, yet previously I had not been able to surpass the dismal percentage of sponsoring only about 3% of the people I've actually approached. And that's probably a pretty realistic average for most network marketers. Of course, some network marketers seem to have the Midas touch and they become rich in a matter of months rather than years, but they are the exception, not the rule. And most people that become network marketers struggle. So how can we start preaching to the choir, as it were, and be able to access people who are actually open to our business opportunity, or at least purchase our products? How can we find open, success-minded, freedom-oriented entrepreneurs who are open to joining us on our quest for freedom? Well, you have to look at yourself like a fisherman. If the pond you are fishing in has 99% workers and laborers that are more interested in watching puppy videos than being free, then you're fishing in the wrong pond. That's why I recommend switching your focus away from Facebook and other social media platforms, especially from a business perspective, over to the only professional, business-oriented platform, LinkedIn. Even without getting any more specific about what people specifically do for a living, you already, just by doing your prospecting on LinkedIn, you're already in a much better stocked pond for fish that might be interested in the bait you are fishing with than on other basic social media platforms. By switching to a professional, business-oriented social media platform, your chances of success have immediately increased, at least by tenfold. And people on LinkedIn expect to be approached about business opportunities because they are business people themselves. They're not dickheads that when you approach them about freedom and business, that they don't get pissed off. So the rejection factor has immediately lessened. So your emotional happiness immediately increases. And with the LinkedIn algorithms, if you know if you know the LinkedIn secrets, you can actually target specific people that are 100 times more likely to be interested in your business or your product or your service than the completely random and time-consuming job of prospecting random people across the entire board of social media. And better still, if you can really get the system working for you, you can passively attract like-minded, success-oriented people that are not only open to what you're doing, but who are asking if they can join you. But you've got to know what you're doing. You've got to understand the LinkedIn secrets to get those algorithms working in your favor so that your prospecting and your sign-up ratio goes up from a mere 5% to 10% to 20% and 30% and on up. And you got to learn rejection-free prospecting and lead attraction, where people already know, like, and trust you and are eager to join you on your freedom quest because they want the same things as you, and you've already given them valuable things that are going to help them in their business, so they know, like, and trust you. And people only do business with people they know, like, and trust. And I'm very happy to share with you a free report to help you capitalize on the untapped power of LinkedIn to help you propel your network marketing business, your affiliate business, or home-based business to new heights of success. And in this free report, you'll learn how to crack the LinkedIn code and make the LinkedIn algorithms work for you. And you'll learn the top 10 secret LinkedIn hacks to help you target specific people that are more likely to be open to your business, product, or service and help you build your business and team faster than you could have ever thought possible. So click the link in this post or copy and paste the link to the free report in this post and enjoy your newfound greater level of ease and speed to grow your business with these powerful LinkedIn secrets. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. My name is ZaKaiRan, and I help success-minded people, network marketers, and home-based business entrepreneurs achieve the success and freedom you desire by helping you unleash the untapped power of LinkedIn to grow your business into a perpetual money-making machine. Thanks again for watching this video. I'll see you again on another awesome success video. Woo-hoo!